Okay, so at the start of this video, I'll just start off by saying that this video is probably going to be joined up with a load of other videos that we've kind of come up with, a load of other shots. We've been coming out and finding bits, but nothing worth making a full video about, so hopefully this will be a full video today. That's what I'm hoping for. Yeah, don't know if you can tell, it's a bit wet, a bit miserable, but we'll see what we can come up with. Now today I won't be moaning about the mosquitoes, but you might catch me moaning about the rain. One or the other, I suppose, isn't it? What have we got? Mason's extract, and this rain has just started coming down really heavy. We should start bringing a we don't come very prepared for this kind of thing. It's alright, we're having fun. Getting soaked. 2-ounce Marmite. We don't keep them anymore, got enough of those. Just wanted to say thanks for anyone who's watched the other videos. Didn't know whether to make YouTube channel or not. It's not something I'm entirely comfortable with, chatting and making videos. So yeah, thanks for the engagement, all the likes and subscribers. I don't know if I just messed you up. No. Very new to me, all of this. So yeah, we came out knowing it was raining a bit, but it just started coming down. The weather's forecast there's no rain, so we've just kind of seek shelter under this big tree. Yeah, we're having a little break, an unprompt break. He's happy. Okay, so we just had to stop the video because of all the rain. I didn't want to ruin my phone, but we just started again, and this little Lysol poison has just come out. By the looks of it, it's Lysol poison anyway. I'll give that a clean up for you. Yeah, Lysol. Nice bumpy bits. On the other side, it's Boots All British, that's going to say. Boots All British. Look at this cod we just had come out. Broken top. Really nice. I can't say this word here. Ched-ti wind. Ched-ti wind? It's probably Welsh. Property of Ched-ti wind. Siphon. Siphon works. Atherstone. We'll cut it down. We'll make that look nice. So let's try to clean this one up. Oh, I haven't found that one before. Is that a beer? Spacco? That almost sounds like a rude word, doesn't it? Leamington Spa. Maybe a little wine bottle. Bit of a label. What's this one we have here? Oh, nice little bottle. Don't really know what those ones are used for. Probably chemistry type of bottle. Still got some bits in that one. Cool. And here's one that we have. Oh, that's a broken, probably jar. Never mind. We have this little one. I think that's going to be a paste jar. Yeah, paste jar. Oh, still has a label on that one. Bit boring, the paste jars, but never mind. I did find some more, but I don't know where they've gone. Oh, that one's a bit tough to get out. It's coming. There we go. Very mucky brown looking bottle, that one. Nothing on that. Nice aqua lid though. I'm sure that'll clean up nicely, but I think that's currently full of whatever that is, because it's got the cork in that still. Yeah, this little Humpty Dumpty cup come out. Probably won't take that back because that's all you can see of Humpty Dumpty. Obviously, what's the story? We ain't gonna be able to put him back together again. Then we had this big, probably marmalade or jam jar come out. Nothing on the bottom, no details on it, but it's probably the nicest one that we've come across so far. So I basically just started recording because we could just come. This one's just come out basically. James Edel. Probably a beer. I think that says Middlesbrough on the bottom there. I've been looking for one of these for ages, and I'm pretty sure, I'll double check that, but I'm pretty sure that that's a brain fog moment. Toothpaste jar, toothpaste bottle. Well, I'll have a look into that one for you. So we just pulled this one out, not to be taken poisonous one. It's a what's it? Aqua poison. We don't actually come across them ones. That's absolutely beautiful. Really like that one. Quite an old one it seems, judging from the neck. Applied or tooled. They always confuse me, applied and tooled, but let's see if you can see. The seam doesn't run all the way up, and the neck looks quite messed up as well, the top of it. Really, really happy with that one. And yeah, I've got the camera out because this one obviously came out, and there's another one that's showing its face. I've just lost it. Ah, there we are. Can you see it? Alright, yeah. Another aqua. Awesome. 2 aquas. Panel bottle. Not embossed, but really nice. I like the shape and size of that one. Just got some in here. It's a jar. Aqua jar. Ooh. Nice colour aqua actually. Little milk glass with a lid on that, I think. Ah, this actually has embossing on it, which I haven't found one that's been embossed before. I hope you can see that. Yep. Like I say, I can't read this kind of writing, so have a guess. Nice embossing though. Looks like we might have a Bovril. A big Bovril. Yep. Is that one of the 16 ounce, I think? Yeah, 16 ounce Bovril. I don't know if it's dark down here because it feels dark to me. 16-ounce Bovril. We already have one of them, so I don't think we'll be taking that one back, but it's still nice to find it. I think I've got a nice little seam here, so we'll give it a little go at the seam before going down some more. I'll have a look. George has just got this one out. It's similar to the one we found earlier. Oh, that's not going to clean up very well, I don't think. Now, what does it say? Yeah, it's a James Edel. Burton-on-Trent, we haven't had that one. It is very dark down here. I'll probably show you that one again later on. Nice one. So we were just going on break, and this one, I was pulling out my last couple of bottles. This one, I'm not going to get it back in there now, just came from down there. You can't tell so much, but that is another Lysol. Quite a big Lysol. Let's have a look. Really nice detail on that one. Lysol registered trademark. On the other side we have a label, but even if I did my little water trick, I don't think you're going to read anything on that. Sorry for the wobbly camera, I've got mosquitoes attacking me again. Not to be taken. Oh, happy with that one. We've just had that one pop out. We can all guess what that one is. Not to be taken. I think that's an older one, probably. Looks like an older one to me. Well. Modern type. Nice aqua tablespoons come out. Schweppes. Really nice picture of a fountain on that. Bit of a modern bottle, but really nice. Embossed on the back as well. Really nice one. So, just been digging out and trying to get through the seam, and some of the soil just fell down. Luckily we managed to jump out of the way. But yeah, let's just carry on a little bit with some caving of the sides and see what kind of comes out. Ooh, what's that little thing? Now I think I know what this is, thanks to Manchester Mudlarks. That is a little pill pot, a little pill carrier where they'd carry pills in, medication. I won't be keeping that one though, I don't. Oh wait, what's that? Oh, it looks like a perfume, but it's embossed. That's a poison. Oh no way. That's a tiny little poison. Poisonous. That looked like a little perfume when I saw that one. No way. Let's clean that. Awesome. I thought that was a perfume when I picked that up. They make perfumes just the same size as that, unless I'm getting the perfume bottles wrong and they're actually medication bottles then. This one still looks like it has a cork in it. I'm not so sure. So I was just trying to clear away this seam and this one came out. And we found one of these not long ago. Basically, see that little notch on the top there? I'm pretty sure that's so that you can just pour like a drop out at a time. If you try to pour it the other way, the whole thing just dribbles down the side of the bottle, but if you do it with this little drop thing there, let's see if the camera will focus on it. You can see there's a notch. It doesn't want to focus on it. You can see the notch. It's not good enough though. Yeah. So I'm excited for this one, guys. So I just got the camera out just to show you this one. We're basically cutting through to cave this section in, and I heard my spade clang, and it was this. Yeah, I'm sure that's late 1800s, maybe early 1900s. But how black that is. Really nice beer, that one. What does it say on it? It says Tennant Lager beer. Really happy with that one. As we're just finishing up as well, it's a nice bottle to be able to find towards the end of the dig. Makes you excited to come back and do it again. Really happy with that one. So I'm pretty sure swing tops actually replaced corks so that they could keep beer fizzy. Is fizzy the word you'd use? Carbonated? Yeah, because obviously if you had a cork with a beer it would just end up popping off. So I think they started to make swing tops so that beers would last longer. This lovely little pipe bowl's just come out of the hole. It's actually a wonder how you find this kind of little things when you've got such a big hole going on and you get so much soil on your spade or on your shovel. I think it's easily missed that you wouldn't see that really. Really nice design on that. I like that a lot. I like it a lot. Ah, this is such a shame. Look at the embossing on that. That would have been a great one for my collection. If only it didn't have that. Smashed edge on that. Really nice. Aqua bottle. That's such a shame. So we just had this one come out. I just dug it out from the same place as that, what's it called, swing top. Well, we keep finding broken tops of these. I'm happy to finally have got a full complete one. Yay! No date on it, no writing, but that makes me happy. Here's an amber bottle. W&A Gilly, I think that says. Alcohol. Some alcohol bottle, probably a whiskey or something like that, being so small. Screw top. I think we've had one before, so I'm not sure if that'll come back with us, but nice little bottle. Always a good thing not to go for a break too soon. Just come up with this cotton reel inkwell. Aqua colour, nice size. And it looks like that's the ink line that was in there. And it's an old one. Flaming camera. I always talk to the camera and George thinks I'm talking to him, so it gets a bit confusing sometimes. Nice little one there. Awesome. So I just came out my yard to have a bit of a breather, and it seems like I've pulled this out. Probably going to be a coin. Won't know much until we take it back. If it is a coin, I'm going to have to lightly clean it up. Obviously we can't clean it up too much now, can we? So yeah. Hopefully we can make out some detail on that when we lightly clean it up. Right, so kind of got that caved in just in time. Hole's all nicely done and covered up. Rain's come down again, so yeah, making our way out. We did get him up today actually, so I'll show you everything that we've got in the clean up video. And yeah, maybe it might not be a few days shots in this video. So I'm very worn out. Yeah, hopefully it can just stay to 1 day's kind of dig, because it's a lot easier to do it that way. At the end of the day. So yeah, enjoy the roundup video.